Hello, 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 hello. Hello, my wonderful viewers, subscribers, and family. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing well. Good. Today, see what we have here. We have the JBL, the Boombox 2. This thing is a beast. It is a beast, this thing. Oh my goodness. I've heard this thing for the second time. When they first came out, I bought one of these. But a good friend took it for me. So I had to replace it again because I found out that I cannot do much without this beautiful beast, boom, bass master. This thing is really good. It sounds pretty good. I mean, can you imagine? Look how tiny it is, with extreme bass, with wonderful sound, blasting. I mean, you can have this on a small chilling, like a party or something, just a small gathering with your friends and families. I'm sorry it's a little bit dirty, but this thing is a monster. And well, I had a trip with it, so I had some small damage to it, but I traveled with this thing all the way to Africa because I'm a music freak. When it comes to music, I love music. Music is part of my life. I think I can listen to music whole day than watching movies. So music is just part of me. So I really love this. So on my way traveling, such a long way, so I think I hit this thing with some stick or something. We're walking through the bushes, so I had the stick piercing through it. So I just had a small tape, like a small plaster, but then it's okay. There's no effect, like the sound or something. So this thing is really great. It's really good. It's very sensitive when it comes to the Bluetooth. This is like 5.0 the range for the Bluetooth. So it's such a distance. It's really good, very nice. I like it. So when I was purchasing this Boombox 2 for the second time, I tried different sounds on the Boombox 3, but to my understanding, I didn't like it. I didn't like the 3 that much. But with the 2, it's heavy bass. It's more like a robust feeling, and even the size of it, it's a little bit big, So it feels handy and it feels great. It feels really durable, and so I really like it. It's very good, and it's very great technology. And it's strong, and then you can have it under the rain. So it's no worries if you are chilling with it and then comes the rain. So no worries. It holds water. It's some sort of water resistance. So this is like the charging port. This is the charging, and it has also a USB connection, so you can charge your mobile phone. Yeah, it has also on like a jack for headphones. So it's very nice, pretty cool. So So I've never had any problem, any issues with this, unless when I had this into the woods, I had some a little bit damage to it. But like I said, it doesn't affect it anyways. So it's pretty cool, pretty nice. The bass is wonderful. It's loud. So what I experience, if you want to have it like more bass to it, it's good to have it like let's say in the corner of your house, like in the side like this, in the corner or something. It gives more bass to it. It's echoing in the entire apartment or something. So this thing really cool. I bought it last year December. Yeah 2022 December. It was actually on a sale actually, so I was quite lucky, because I remember when they came out they were like about $400, $450 or something. So I got this for like $299. So $300. So I saved like $100. So that was pretty good. Yep. So this is the original packaging, the box that it comes with. As you can see, it's some sort of water resistance. So no, the Bluetooth is 5.1, sorry. I said 5.0, so it's 5.1. So it's very sensitive. The Bluetooth is good. So you can see it's 24 hours battery. So it's actually, when you charge it, this thing stays for long. You can play. So on a full charge, this thing can last for, it can take me like 48 hours to 72 hours. Yeah, it can. So this is the original box. You can see it's massive sound all day long. 24 hours of playtime, blah blah. IP x7 waterproof. So like a power bank. JBL party boost. So it's very, very good. Let's see. This was everything intact. Yeah, this is how it came. Normally when I buy these things, I don't just throw the box away. Sometimes just have them in the basement or something, So it's very cool, very nice. Yeah. So this is the charger, the original charger that it comes with. As you can see, AC adapter. Yeah. So it's pretty good, pretty nice. I've had no major issues at all. Charging and everything. So now let's try to play it in. Oh, I'm sorry, I cannot play it and the sound from it because that will be a copyright from YouTube. Yeah, but as you can see, this is it. I'm sorry I cannot play it so you hear it because of the rules and regulations from YouTube. But you see, it's pretty nice. See those tiny speakers? These are beasts. They're very heavy. So you can just switch it on like that, one click. There it goes. So So now it's connected with my phone. So this is the Bluetooth, and this is like a volume, and this is like this is plus, up and down. This is like if you want to pause it, so you can pause here and then start back again. Yeah, so this is it. It's pretty good, pretty nice. And this is like you can skip also with this. It's like you can go forward and back. So this is the Boombox tool. If you're looking for something, if you are a chilling guy, you like to have a gathering with the family, with the friends, a party, this thing can suit you very well. And so just try them. So I never regret buying this. Very nice. So you dare to listen. So check them out, check it out, and I believe you won't regret it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for stepping through, taking your time to watch my videos. Really like it. Thank you for my new subscribers, and please keep on subscribing. We're moving this channel bit by bit. Takes time, but we'll get there. I thank you for the subscribers I have already. It's pretty good. I'm happy with the views. So just keep the comments going, and I will be glad to answer them. So I wish you all a lovely day, a lovely weekend. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.